Hello everyone, and welcome to an English lesson. My family. This is my family. This is my family. This is my husband, our children, and me. This is my husband, our children, and me. We have 2 children. We have 2 children. We have a daughter and a son. We have a daughter and a son. Our daughter's name is Lucy. Our daughter's name is Lucy. Our son's name is Mark. Our son's name is Mark. I'm their mother. I'm their mother. My son is younger than my daughter. My son is younger than my daughter. Their father cooks well. Their father cooks well. Our daughter helps us. Our daughter helps us. Listen to your parents. Listen to your parents. These are my cousins. These are my cousins. My cousin is my best friend. My cousin is my best friend. Where are your grandparents? Where are your grandparents? They're in the garden. They're in the garden. Grandma tells stories. Grandma tells stories. Grandpa reads newspapers. Grandpa reads newspapers. Grandson and granddaughter help their grandmother. Grandson and granddaughter help their grandmother. My uncle lives in London. My uncle lives in London. My aunt works in a hospital. My aunt works in a hospital. My brother has a red car. My brother has a red car. Your father will help you with it. Your father will help you with it. He is my husband, and I am his wife. He is my husband, and I am his wife. We have a dog at home. We have a dog at home. I play with my son. I play with my son. Where is my mum? Where is my mum? My husband has a son and a daughter. My husband has a son and a daughter. Come give Mummy a hug. Come give Mummy a hug. Dad will be home soon. Dad will be home soon. Say hi to Grandma. Say hi to Grandma. Listen to Daddy. Listen to Daddy. Give Mummy a kiss. Give Mummy a kiss. Your uncle has something for you. Your uncle has something for you. Come here, sweetheart. Come here, sweetheart. What are you doing, little man? What are you doing, little man? Sweetie, don't play with your food. Sweetie, don't play with your food. Hey, young lady, that's not okay. Hey, young lady, that's not okay. Guys, it's time to eat. Guys, it's time to eat. Buddy, sit properly at the table. Buddy, sit properly at the table. Thank you for watching. Great job today. Let's keep it up in the next video.